So we'll be looking into indices, and then we're going to take equation involving indices. Equation involving indices. Okay, now let's look at example 1. Let's see example 1. Equation involving indices. We solve each of the following equations. We have 5x is equal to 1 over what? 125. 2, we have 8 index x is equal to 0.25. 3, we have 0.2 all brackets index what x is equal to 625. Alright, so question 4, we have x index minus 1 over 3 is equal to 5. And question 5, we have x index minus 3 is equal to minus 343. Okay, it's equal to minus 343. Now, just as we are looking into indices, you can see that in this place we have what? The indices and what? The equation together. Now, what you do is, in each stage in all this question, you have the equal to sign and you have indices. That is what is called equation involving indices. So what you do is, you apply those laws of what? Indices in this what? Equation, and get the variables x in what? In the equation. So let's say if I were to start with solution. Now solution 1. If we have 5 index x is equal to 1 over what? 125. Let's say 5 index x is equal to 1 over what? 125. 5 index x is equal to 1 over what? 125. So when we look at this problem, as I said, you have the 5 indexed. This is the equation, and then when you look at it here, the first thing to do is, how can you put this number 125 in the same base with what? 5 index x, so that we have the same base. It's very, very important. So you see that from here we have 5 index x is equal to, don't forget that 1 over 125 is the same thing as inverse of what? 125. Okay, now so I have to put 125 in the same base as what? 5 here. Alright, so what I will do is, I'll say that this is equal to, this will be 5 index x 5 index x is equal to 1 over what? 125. So I look for what? How many, if I index, this is 1 over 125 is what? Same thing as what? 5 index what? 5 index 3. Because 5 times 5 is what? 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is what? 25. 25 times 5. 5 times 5 gives us what? 25. Rather 5 carry 2. 5 times what? 2 give us what? 10. 10 plus 2 will give us 12. So 5 index 3 will give us what? 125. So we have succeeded putting what? 125 in the same base with what? 5. Alright. So we have here that we have 5 index 3. Okay, we have 5 index 3. We have put what? 125 in the same base with what? 5. Alright. So the next thing to do is 1 over what? 5 index 3. Now I told you that if this number 5 index 3 is what? The inverse of 125 is what? 1 over what? 125, which means this can be also be put as 5 index x is equal to 5 index s is equal to, this will give us 5 index minus what? 3. Okay, 5 index minus 3. When you look at this now, I've succeeded putting 5 index 3 in the same base with what? 5. So this expression 1 over 5 index 3 is same thing as 5 index minus 3. Okay, since that's 5 index minus 3. So look at the same base. So what I will do is I cancel out. I'm not left with what? X here and minus 3. So my x is equal to minus 3. So you see, and this is what? My answer. So watch. I said the first thing, this is what? Inverse of 125. The same thing as inverse of 125, 125 inverse. This expression is same thing as what? This. This expression is the same thing as this. So when I put this number in fractional form, it is what? This. So when I try to put this number in the same base, so it will be like this. 5 index s is equal to 125 inverse minus 1. We have what? If I put it in another form, fractional form, I will have this. So if I put this number in the same base as this, I will have 5 index 3, and then 1 over what? 5 index 3, same base. So I'll now put it in the base that what? That will enable me what? To eliminate what? To eliminate what? The base. If I eliminate the base, I'll be left with what? The index. So that's why I said that this is 5 index x is equal to 5 index minus 3. So that I have succeeded in what? Putting them in the same base, and then base cancel what? Base. I'm now left with what? X and what? Minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. So this is what? Our answer. We succeeded solving what? Question A. So this is our answer. Now for question 2.